Welcome. If you've muted someone's Instagram stories and now want them back in your feed, this guide will take you through the steps using the Instagram app on your desktop or laptop. Let's jump in and get those stories back. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and everything is up to date. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to find the account you want to unmute. Type their username, select their profile from the results, and head over to their page. With their profile open, look just beneath their bio for the following button. Click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. You want to select Mute. Inside the mute controls, you'll see options for posts and stories. If you've previously muted their stories, the toggle next to Stories will be turned on. Simply click the toggle to remove Stories from mute. The switch should now be off, indicating that their stories are back in your feed. After you've made your selection, hit Save to apply the changes. Now, just head back to your Instagram home. If this person has posted any new stories, they'll show up alongside everyone else you follow, and you won't miss out on any future updates. With these simple steps, you've reconnected with someone's creative world. Unmuting stories is fast and easy, so you can always change your preferences whenever you want. Thanks for following along. If you found this walkthrough helpful, you're all set to enjoy everyone's Instagram stories again.